Hello, and in today's video, we will discuss multi-site warehousing and how P4 Warehouse can help. Some of the following you may have encountered with setup or use of multi-site warehousing. Let's look at setup costs and added software fees. Whether you are a SMB or enterprise, I am sure you have come across multi-sites needing additional capabilities only to hear that is not available unless you pay for another module or license level. P4 Warehouse does not have these limits. Every license has every capability that P4W has in its extensive warehousing library. There are no added costs or fees. Another consideration is hardware configuration. Whether it is adding scanners or printers to a multi-site warehouse, the process should be easy to do and be completed without assistance from outside sources. With P4 Warehouse, adding new scanning or printing devices can be accomplished in minutes and are available for use whether you are on-premise or working remote. It is easy to say that you have a user standard operating procedure. However, could you have a user from one site, go to another site, and still have the same productivity right away? User configuration does not have to matter on their location. With P4W, the user menus and capabilities can follow the user to multiple sites, and with a graphical user interface, it is quick and easy to set up menus and apply them to users. Now some common issues we see regarding standards for products, or you may say stock keeping unit (SKUs) in a multi-site scenario. There is nothing worse than having to maintain the SKU list per warehouse and relying on workers at each site, maintaining their own dimensions, weights, pack sizes, barcodes, etc. P4W standardizes this across sites so that labeling, scanning, reporting, bill of ladings, receiving, shipping, hazmat, and temperature requirements, along with other product information, is standardized across the whole organization. Visibility is a major aspect for multi-site organizations. Many departments have different needs when it comes to visibility. It might be order status if you're in customer service. If you're a shipping manager, it might be where an order is staged in the warehouse. Or are you in accounting and need to know the BOL for paying the freight forwarder? In a multi-site company, this can become a daunting task. With so many people to call, email, and papers to sift through, P4W has many capabilities to assist departments with their duties. Here are some examples to show you what I mean. Reporting can be scheduled, exported, viewed, and emailed. Widget dashboards give up-to-date information. Every pack slip, commercial invoice, BOL, master BOL, and small parcel tracking numbers are stored and tied to the transaction for easy recall by another departments. Photos and signatures are directly attached to transactions. These are just a small taste of how P4 Warehouse takes visibility to the next level. Congratulations if you're either at the point of getting into multi-site or are already there. Now the question is, should you continue to invest in a WMS that does not handle true multi-site warehousing? Or should you look at other options to better utilize your people's storage and cash flow? Thank you for watching this presentation from Bardega with locations in California, Nevada, Panama, and Canada.